My name is Seth.
My name is Kobe.
And we all study here at Broadway BDC College, Level 3 Subsidiary Diploma of Performing Arts.
So, if you're coming from secondaries, it's like a big jump, but it's nice. Like, it's not, they don't like throw you in at the deep end.
It's a way to like push yourself with the course, and that with the course you do things and like you learn things that really you never thought you'd be able to do before. And also it's a good place to meet friends. Like, you meet so many people here and all that. It's just a really, it's just really friendly, welcoming place.
Or the fact that it was in the theatre, so we have like access to the theatre instead of when I went to other colleges to look, they all had like a certain like just room in the big college, but here we're separate from everyone else, so from the main site, and well, TSA is close for English and Maths.
That's why I feel like this is what makes it unique as well. The fact that we have our own theatre stage, especially that it's public. Like, I don't think other like drama schools or so has like a theatre space, whereas this is mainly used for public, but also our students, we can use it to perform, to show to our audience what we made during our rehearsal.
So in the course, Performing Arts, it comes under like, I would say dance, but it's not dance. It's more movement based, so you have a movement unit and you have an acting unit. Through the two different separate units, you explore like sub-units, I'd say, so like different movement techniques to help you create a piece rather than just learning a routine. And then in the acting side of it, you learn how the voice is produced and how different actors interpret a piece of text, for example, how the stages of acting has developed over the years, from like classical theatre to present day.
Performing arts is something I've always wanted to do ever since I was little, so this is definitely like, I definitely want to go to uni and all that, so this is something I definitely want to carry on into uni and hopefully further. For me, like, I suffer with anxiety and all that, and sometimes it can be quite bad. But when I'm performing, when I'm dancing, when I'm acting, for me it's a release, and that, especially in mind when I'm acting or when I'm being a character, it's kind of this thought like I'm not myself, like I'm not this person who struggles, like I'm Catherine, I'm Beatrice, and that it's in a way it's a distraction, it's just a way to kind of get it all out in a way.